The season is here, and that means my cute little buddies are back. And boy, are they demanding. All winter long, my hummingbirds still pop in and out for food. I only have to fill the feeders once a week during the colder months. No biggie, right? But as soon as spring hits, here they come, like tiny adorable dive bombers. I have 4 feeders out now, and I'm filling them every other day. I'm telling you, if they weren't so cute, I'd tell them to take a hike. But of course I don't. They bring so much joy, not just to me, but to anyone who visits my backyard. Watching them is pure magic. Feeding these little guys can get pretty expensive, though. That's why I make my own hummingbird food. And honestly, I think it's better for them. Here's my simple recipe. 1 cup of white granulated sugar. 4 cups warm water. Combine both water and sugar together and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Let it cool down before adding it to the feeder. Fill your feeders. Store any extra in the fridge. And here's a little important tip. Each time you refill the feeders, please take a minute to wash the feeders with soap and water and rinse well, even if they don't look dirty. With the hot weather and heat, sugar water can mold quickly. Mold isn't just gross, it can make our tiny visitors sick. We definitely don't want that. Now about that red dye. You see it in all the garden stores. Just because they sell it does not mean it is good for the little birds. You know, those big bottles that are full of red liquid. Yeah, they don't need it. Make your own or purchase the clear kind. Most feeders already have bright red parts, and that's enough to catch their attention. Fun fact, hummingbirds have such incredible vision, they can see colors we can't even imagine, including ultraviolet light. When it comes to picking a feeder, don't stress. Trust me, I've tried them all. I always come back to the good old basics, simple ones. Why? Because when you're feeding what feels like an entire hummingbird neighborhood, you want feeders that are easy to clean and easy to fill. Stick with hummingbird feeders that are easy to take apart, clean, refill, and put back together. The fancier ones seem to get kind of complicated. They are not worth the trouble. So stick to the basics. These little angels are so worth the effort. Did you know their wings can beat up to 80 times per second? No wonder they're always hungry. So, that's my little setup for keeping my backyard buzzing with life. If you love seeing these tiny miracles in your yard, try out the homemade food. They love it. Your little buddies will thank you. Maybe even bring some friends along. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun with Sammy's Critter Chronicles and his other adventures. Check out Sammy's other videos here. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next video.